Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use a Target gift card on Doordash. First, open the Doordash app or go to the website and log in to your account. Then go to your profile by clicking the account or me section in the corner. Next, go to settings and look for the gift card option and then click on it. Now click redeem and you will see a box where you can enter your Target gift card pin. Here, type or paste your Target gift card code and then press redeem to your account. The balance will be added to your DoorDash wallet. And that's it. That's how you use a Target gift card on DoorDash. Make sure your gift card is eligible. It must be a DoorDash compatible Target card. I hope this helped. If this helped, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.